Meet Sarah. At 32, she's trapped in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living, constantly drowning in bills she can't keep up with. Every month, her dreams of a soft life, the kind where she has time to breathe, enjoy the little things, and truly live, feel farther out of reach. She spends her days in a job that drains her, and at night, she lies awake, wondering if this is all there is. One late night, after another disappointing bill notice, Sarah finds herself staring at her bank account, wondering where it all went wrong. She could barely remember the last time she treated herself to something nice. But then, she makes a promise to herself, "I'm not living like this forever." Just a week later, she meets a mentor, someone who, without fanfare, has created wealth with simple, actionable steps. This mentor speaks of something Sarah has never considered: achieving financial independence without sacrificing your peace or joy. It's a new way of thinking, a way that promises freedom without the grind. Sarah feels something spark in her chest: hope. This moment changes everything for Sarah. The day she decides she deserves a better life is the day her journey to financial freedom begins. The good news? You don't have to be stuck in your current situation forever either. What if I told you that achieving a financially independent, soft life is not just a dream? It's totally achievable, and I'm going to show you how. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so we can all level up together. Section 1: Mindset Shift: Wealth as a Lifestyle. Building wealth doesn't start with a bank account or investment strategy. It begins in your mind. As radiant rebels, we need to break free from the limiting beliefs that society has placed on us. We've been taught to settle for less, to live within narrow financial expectations, and to believe that money is always a struggle. But here's the truth: wealth is a lifestyle that you can choose to embrace. It's time to shift your mindset and see money for what it really is: a tool. A tool that empowers you to live your dreams, a tool that creates opportunities, and a tool that fuels your future. The key is to start seeing wealth building as something that's available to you, not something that happens to other people. The moment you adopt this mindset, you'll open up a world of possibilities. The power of long-term vision can't be underestimated. Instead of focusing on short-term gratification, start envisioning where you want to be years from now. How do you want to feel financially? What will your life look like when you're no longer shackled by stress or bills? Shift from the small wins and the paycheck-to-paycheck life to a larger vision of financial independence and wealth. Actionable tip: start by changing how you view money. See it as a tool to create the life you want, not something to worry about. Start by focusing on how you can use it to build your soft life, your dream life. Section 2: Building your wealth blueprint. Your next step is creating a clear, actionable plan. Imagine your ideal life, the one where you are financially independent, where money flows in with ease, and you have the freedom to do what you love. Once you've defined that dream life, break it down into manageable goals. What do you need to do today to get closer to that future? What milestones will guide you along the way? Creating a vision board isn't just for dreams and affirmations, it's a tangible, powerful tool to manifest your goals. Visualize every detail of your soft life. Maybe it's a cozy home, frequent travel, or financial freedom. Break that vision into smaller pieces, setting clear goals for each year, month, and week. These are your stepping stones, and each small win brings you closer to the ultimate prize. Actionable tip: create a vision board for your soft life. filled with the things you're working towards. As you set each goal, whether it's saving a specific amount or paying off a debt, celebrate those milestones as they come. But creating wealth isn't just about setting goals, it's also about investing in yourself. Whether it's through education, networking, or developing new skills, investing in you is one of the most powerful ways to increase your income potential. Take a course, attend a workshop, or start learning about financial literacy. The more you grow, the more you earn. The wealth you want isn't just going to land in your lap, it takes knowledge, action, and dedication. So take the time to learn, grow, and expand your potential. You are the one who will bring your dreams to life. Section 3: Smart Money Habits for Soft Life Living. Living a soft life doesn't mean splurging on every trendy item that catches your eye. It's about being smart with your money while still enjoying the luxuries that life has to offer. The secret to this balance is intentional spending. Instead of buying everything in sight, focus on quality over quantity. Invest in pieces that last and experiences that enrich your life, like a weekend getaway or a course that helps you level up. The key to making this work is being strategic with your spending. When you start prioritizing what truly adds value to your life, you'll find that you can live luxuriously on a budget. It's about knowing what truly matters to you and aligning your spending with your goals. Actionable tip: focus on intentional spending, buy quality over quantity, invest in experiences rather than excess stuff. You'll feel like you're living the dream without the guilt. When it comes to wealth building, consistency is key. Automating your savings and investments ensures that your money is working for you while you focus on the things that bring you joy. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account or investment platforms. Even small contributions will add up over time, creating a solid foundation for your financial freedom. Passive income is another crucial element of wealth building. Side hustles, investments, and earning while you sleep are all powerful ways to grow your wealth with less effort. Imagine having money come in automatically while you enjoy your life. Sounds pretty ideal, right? Section 4: Building Wealth Through Relationships. They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. That's why surrounding yourself with women who prioritize financial independence is one of the fastest ways to elevate your own journey. Building a network of like-minded women will not only inspire you but also introduce you to new opportunities and ideas that can help accelerate your financial growth. Collaboration is another powerful tool. Think about the possibilities of partnering with other successful women in your community. Business ventures, joint partnerships, and co-creating with others can open doors you never imagined. Together, we rise. Actionable tip: reach out to successful women in your community and learn from their financial journeys. Their wisdom could be the missing link to your own success. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more women can achieve financial freedom. Section 5: Financial Independence in Your 30s and Beyond. By now, you've probably realized that creating a soft life is a long-term commitment, and part of that commitment is mastering the investment game. Stocks, real estate, and other wealth-building investments are essential to building a financial cushion that will support your dreams. But how do you get started? It's easier than you think. Begin by educating yourself on different investment opportunities, then start small. Over time, your investments will grow, and so will your wealth. When it comes to retirement, it's easy to put it on the back burner, especially if it's years away. But the earlier you start saving, the more you'll benefit in the long run. Even if you can only contribute a small amount each month, it's better than nothing. Your future self will thank you for laying the foundation now. Actionable tip. Start contributing to your retirement fund now, even if it's just a small amount each month. Your future self will thank you for it. With the right mindset and these actionable tips, you can create the soft life and financial freedom you deserve. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start today, and make your future a reality.